So these are the speakers which are 25 watts and 3 ohms. This I recovered from a Denon soundbar. In order to enhance the bass, I just drill some holes in the spider of the speakers all around. In this project we are going to use Bluetooth amplifier which I ordered from banggood.com. I removed the power jack from here as I'm gonna fix the power jack directly into the speaker. These are the speaker output, and these buttons I'm not gonna use, so we'll keep it as default. I'll put it to the maximum gain level, and this is a Bluetooth audio output. This is not an AUX input jack, so I'm gonna connect directly the power wire to the board. I removed the power switch. I prepared a 3S lithium battery using my battery stock collection, which I recovered from a DVD drive. I used 3 of these similar to create one. This is basically 3S. We have 3 layers of same battery, and I have connected it with the overcharge protection board. So now we are going to install this 12-volt battery, which already has a, this is just a protection plastic. For a Bluetooth speaker we need a housing, which I used hard disk drive case, which is totally aluminum, and I drilled a hole and inserted this bass enhancing duct or bass pipe. I made this bass pipe using a normal PVC pipe, and in a later video I will teach you how to make your own PVC bass duct or bass hole. I used the maximum length to reduce the airflow outside, which also enhanced the bass, and the housing was completed. I cut it 2 of these formica board and finish it with a taper cutting technique, and I drilled a hole for speaker installation, drilling the screw holes for installing the board to the Bluetooth speaker case. Let's begin with installing the battery inside the housing. So the battery pack is inserted into the housing, so let's just glue them all together. We'll begin with gluing the air base hole with the battery, and also we'll glue it to the bottom, the surface, in order to make it more secure. So we'll follow the same procedure to the other side of the battery. The battery is now securely placed into the speaker. Just a little bit onto the other side. So here I decided to use the jack connections to make my all connections easy. So now we are going to install our board into the Bluetooth speaker housing. we are just going to double glue. And to the other side as well. So now the amp board is secure inside the speaker housing. So you have already seen the installation of the power switch and the power jack. Now we'll just glue them out. Before let me just discuss the wiring. This is the switch. The positive of the power jack comes into the switch as well as it goes to the battery. The negative of the jack goes directly to the amp and to the battery. Wire which comes from the positive side to the switch goes back to the amp once the power is on. Let's glue it out to make it more airtight. Now soldering and fixing the power jack to the batteries package. Using heat shrink for insulation. Now soldering the other power jack. Now we have two pair of wires. One goes to the battery, other goes to the amp. So we already finished drilling the screw holes for the speakers and for the housing installation. And we already wired up the power switch and the power jack wires. And now we are installing the boards to the speaker. So I'm gonna use double-side tape for the air tightening purpose. The back side of the speaker. I'm just going to cover this full line.
Then we have to trim to the other side as well.
So two sides finished, and we'll continue to the next two sides. Both sides we have airtight on the back side. So let's just remove the coating and fix the board behind the speaker. Now we have to connect the speaker wire, which is inside. Just screw the speaker back in place. So for the speaker I don't need any gasket because there is already the gasket is installed behind the speaker. Now we'll screw the board to the main speaker housing. Continue the procedure to the other side. First we need to remove the tapes. So this is how remove the tape. Okay, this thing goes to the bottom, so we need to keep in consideration. So first we should connect it to the amplifier. There we are going to connect the battery wires. Let's see, music power's on. Yes, it powers up immediately. Let's keep the speaker jack outside. Let's connect the speaker on the right side. So let's screw back the speaker. So yeah, here is the speaker completed, and we have grills for the speaker, and later on I'm going to install that in order to protect the speaker from damaging. Let's power it up and see how it's performing. I'm having the grills, so later on I'm just going to install it over here this way, and this will be here. So guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.